Individual panels are 1000 mm wide and 50 mm deep. A range of standard heights are available. Hoardfast Soundscreen is a push-fit solution. If installing floor-to-ceiling, secure your wall and then floor U-channels. Install and secure an angle section at ceiling height. Simply push together the required number of panels, perforations facing to the construction side as shown. Add more floor U-channel as you go. Watch the video closely to see the easiest way to insert a panel into the U-channel. To secure these panels at ceiling level, add another section of angle. A single screw every meter is usually sufficient to secure the angle section and panels in place.